Man, that was close. But we did it. It's all that matters. I've got the keys.
Great. God, you're amazing. Let's get in there. Oh no.
为什么？
We gotta hurry.
不是正常方式开门吗？为什么会这样？奇怪呢。
Come on, baby, time to go.
I'm gonna get the truck pulled up round back!
Do it fast. I gotta get my dad out of here.
I don't plan on dilly-dallying. Honey, take Duck into the office and barricade the living hell out of the door behind me. Glenn, when you hear me honking in the alley, start getting people out of here. You got it. Doug, Carly, and Lee, you guys make sure our defenses stay up till then. And Lee, I better take that axe in case I run into any of them on the way to my truck.
Here you go.
Guys, that door's not locked anymore. Shit! You three, get on it! I'll get back as fast as I can.
Stay away from the windows.
所以
Hey, Lee, if we don't make it through this, you should know that I think you're a great
所以
guy.
他在插旗了，他会死，对不对？
We will make it through this.
Doug, if we don't make it through this, you should know.
两个都插旗，所以等一下要2选1哦。
I should know what? Huh? You said I should know.
预言家有没有？
On it.
Are you sure?
Shit!
Oh, shit! Okay, then. Clementine, can you look for something to stick in between the handles?
啊，对，我记得后面有一个拐杖，
Okay.
拐杖应该可以。
Clementine, did you find anything?
Nothing. Wait.
The window is screwed.
Go!
对。
I found something.
对，拿来，插进去。有没有讲中了？真的又2选1。这一个是就这个有枪的好了。
No! Get him off of me!
Oh my god.
Let's go!
They got Doug.
Oh.
They...
You gotta move!
走。
Not coming with this, you son of a bitch!
No.
干哦！你要干嘛？
I'm not letting somebody else get eaten today.
我该真有一瞬间以为肯定是要砍我，所以那个老头是干嘛在挡我啊？死亡名单有他一个，我后面有机会绝对搞死他。这是刚刚那个旅馆吗？ 所以找人讲话吗？
Hey, Glenn.
Georgia cities in their current level of disaster are as follows. Atlanta, stage 9 catastrophe. Augusta, stage
I think I need to go.
To Atlanta.
Yeah, I got friends there. And I just can't stay here knowing that they could be trapped in that city.
Sounds like nobody knows what's happening there. When we left a few days ago, could have gone either way.
I gotta take my chances.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
And I gotta do this.
I respect that.
You guys be safe.
We'll try.
所以他还是想着那女的。所以那达克一直在那边说什么好吵。
Hey, kid.
Close call back there.
Thanks for picking me up.
No problem. We have to take care of each other.
Yeah, we do.
I think you know what you're doing.
Shit, man, do any of us?
With Clementine, I mean. Earlier, you said you were clueless. I just want you to know that I look at you and I see the type of guy who figures things out. That girl's gonna be just fine.
Thanks, Kenny.
You got it.
所以肯定自己讲了嘛。怎么过不去？
How you doing, Curly?
I'm okay. You know, considering.
I do, yeah.
I can't stop thinking about Doug. We couldn't have saved him, could we?
I don't think so. It happened pretty fast.
I know it's stupid. We just met. And he was such a... It's just that... I think that I liked him.
所以他们是互相喜欢的。
Well, I'm sure he liked you too.
You better have. Anyway, I'd rather be alone, I think.
I understand.
Wait, Lee?
What is it?
How did you choose? We both needed you. You picked me.
因为你有枪啊，我可以这么说吗？
I was gonna help you both.
But you helped me first.
Yeah, I did.
I just wish we both could have made it, you know?
Me too, Curly.
The Dumatron had this minigun on his shoulder. It's all like pow, pow, pow.
看什么？
Super Dinosaur was toast. But you know what? He wasn't. Oh, and then...
Hey, Duck, you wanna cool it for a minute?
Okay, sorry.
I'm sorry, there's not a lot of kids here.
No, it's not that. It's... I got grabbed again.
I was there, though.
I fell, and my walkie-talkie broke. Glenn had the other one.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thanks. I know I need to be tough. I'm just sad. I know it doesn't make any sense, but it's how I used to talk to my mom and dad. And now they're gone. It's gone.
Maybe we can find you another one.
I'll just keep this one, I guess.
Lee, come here for a second.
Let me go deal with this.
Oh man, Clementine, another thing.
What do you want?
You like my daughter?
啊？
Her dad tried to kill me, so...
Well, he did that because he knows that Lee Everett is a convicted murderer.
哦，所以他知道我
So
吗？
will everyone else if you go near her. You hear me? I know who you are. And I don't give a shit about what happens to you. But if anything happens to my daughter or that little girl you've got with you, you watch your ass.
所以他是知道我杀了人才帮我的。什么嘛
My dad would be dead if it weren't for you.
That guy Doug is dead because of me.
You can't be like that. You're only one man.
I don't know.
We're lucky to have you.
I hope that's the sound of us winning this thing.
Me too.
This motor inn's pretty damn defendable. We block off the entrances with some cars, keep someone on watch. We could stay here until the military rolls through.
I actually agree with that plan.
Me too.
We got beds, we got water, and most importantly, we got light. There are worse places to call home.
Yeah, you're right. You know, guys, I think it's going to be okay.
然后马上就停电了。哦，所以第一章结束了嘛？然后这是第二章的内容。
I thought we'd be fine if we survived the walkers. Never expected they'd starve us out.
I want you to have this, okay? In case you or Clementine starts feeling weak.
You don't owe me anything, Carly. How you doing, Clementine?
I'm really hungry, Lee.
We gotta get food, Lee. Soon.
所以食物没有了。
Howdy, I'm Andrew St. John. We're from the St. John Dairy.
It's beautiful.
Don't repeat what happened with the walkers at Herschel's farm. You choose the kids this time.
Something's coming, Lee. There's gonna be a war.
The walkers don't worry me as much as the bandits.
You fucked with us! Now we're gonna take what we want! There's too many of them!
You never liked my dad. Even back at the drugstore whenever you thought Kenny's kid was a bit, you went out of your way to side against him.
This isn't happening.
No more, please! No more, please! Lee, please!
所以第二章内容是有多了2个新成员，然后食物不够要去找，然后和人开战。这应该是那个选择的，有多少玩家跟我一样选？然后有76% 的玩家都是选择救那个卡利玛，蛮多的嘛。结束了。